So if you guys want to install CapCut in your laptop, then do simple steps. Search Microsoft Store and search CapCut. You won't get any CapCut here, so you need to change the region setting from laptop. So search region, REGION, and change country and region setting from India to US. So do it and restart your Microsoft again. Yeah, here you go. Search CapCut again. And I have already installed my laptop, so I'm just getting this installed. You will get an option for get. Just click on the get and you will get the CapCut in your laptop. After installing, just open your CapCut, new project, add any two videos just for checking. Yes, but you are not able to see any kind of the transaction here, any kind of filters, so you need to add a VPN. So there's a website called vpngate.net. There are so many free VPN. You just need to add one of them. Search VPN setting in your laptop and add a VPN and select option VPN provider. I'm using for Japan, so I'll use JFNC and enter the server address. VPN type, you need to select SSTF. If you are in India, then you need to select this one. Type of signing into, username and password. The password and username is same, VPN. You can find it on website as well. There you go. Connect. After connecting the VPN, you are able to see all kind of the transaction here. You can use it and export it. And sometimes it happens you are not able to use that VPN. So if the VPN is not working properly, then you can add another VPN. And if it still is not working, then you have to restart the laptop and the CapCut will start working. Thanks.